This video is not sponsored. What's up guys, welcome to Tech I Own, the channel where I review tech that I own. So today, as you can see from the title of this video, we're going to be reviewing a 3-in-1 magnetic charging cable. So I'm just going to show you all the specs and how I put it together, and then give you my thoughts, my pros and cons, and everything I think about the charger after the video, at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. Right, so I'll start with the pros. I do like the magnetic aspect of it. It makes things quite convenient in that you don't really have to touch your phone. You just kind of throw it next to the charger and the magnetic suction just, captures it, and you can charge your phone so easily, especially if your hands are full doing something else or you're holding other things. It's quite easy to just kind of charge your phone very quickly. Another pro, of course, is the fact that it is 3-in-1, meaning that it comes with a USB-C, micro USB, and an iPhone Lightning connector. So you can charge different phones. It comes with different options for different phones, and thus the magnetic little thing that you put in your phone can stay in each of the phones, and you just have one cord for all of them. So that's super convenient in that you don't have to keep 3 charging cords or wires, which take up a lot of space, or if you're carrying a charger around, all you need is that one cord, and all your phones have the little magnetic thing inside them, so it makes things really, really convenient and easy. And that's amazing for me because I've got a lot of gadgets, as you saw earlier. I've got like some Android stuff. I've got my headphones to charge with the USB-C. I've got my little Kindle tablet. So all this is super convenient for me. I'd say that's a big pro. One of the reasons I thought that I'd give this magnetic cable a shot is because my previous charger, especially my iPhone chargers, for some reason always broke right at that connector, that place where the magnetic part is, as you can see in the video I'm showing right now. So that's my previous charger, that's how it looked. I don't know how that happened. I guess that's a stress area where there's a lot of stress while you keep connecting into your phone. But yeah, I saw that recurring theme. That's why I decided to try the magnetic cable, and so far so good. I am, however, a bit like scared or paranoid that the fact that it's magnetic, that it can affect some sort of mechanisms in the phone. That's not proven. I've not heard any complaints like that. It's just my own thoughts in general, but I don't think it should. I don't think it would be sold so commonly if it had such a problem. So yeah, I hope that the magnetic part helps with that problem, but that's just something I thought I'd highlight for now. So I decided to buy 2 of my cables so that I could put one next to my desktop and another next to my bed on my bedside manner, just to make sure that I can charge my phones whenever, wherever I am in my room, because that's where I work and that's where I obviously sleep and everything. So it's super convenient that, you know, you can buy 2 cables, 2 wires or whatever, maybe one on the go, one that you can pop into your bag, and another one that you can just keep around, and they both work. So it's super convenient for me. And all my devices now have that little magnetic thing inside the charging port. So yeah, it makes it super convenient. I will say, however, that maybe a slight con is that if you're visiting somewhere or you go to a place where you don't have your charging cable or you forgot it or something like that, you'll have to remove the little thing, the little magnetic thing from your charging port, and thus you'll have to make sure you don't lose it because it's quite tiny, and you know, it can drop somewhere and get lost as you use someone else's charger. And yeah, so you might have to keep an eye on that because not everyone uses that, and it's not popular, the magnetic cable charging. So yeah, just make sure that you carry your cord around is what I'd say. But it's not a major con, it's just something that I realized and I noticed because majority of the people obviously use the regular charging cables. A final con that I could think about is the fact that the magnetic charger is not obviously attached permanently, so you might knock the little, like the cord off the magnetic part by mistake, you know, by placing something on top of it, or, you know, just by mistake. It can get snapped by a door handle if you're holding it. It can get sort of disconnected without you knowing, and then, you know, you think your phone is charging and then you check and you find out it's not been charging, so that might be upsetting. But the magnetic field is quite strong, so it's more likely to just stay charging regardless and kind of attach as soon as you remove the little book or whatever you've used to, you know, detach it and everything. So it's not a strong con. Yeah, but all in all, I'd say I'd give this product a 9 out of 10. I'd say buy it, go for it, go for the 3-in-1. It's not expensive. I got it only for $5. Only $5. It was super cheap for 3-in-1, and I got 2 cables, so I spent $10 on it. It was super easy to get, and yeah, it's just a generic version. You can get any version, and I'd say it's worth a shot for sure. It makes things way easier, way more convenient, and it's kind of fun to use. With the LED lights in the dark, you can see where your charging port is, where your phone is, and everything. So yeah, I'd say give it a shot. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to Tech I Own for more reviews like this. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I reply to every single comment. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.